Hejmarên Kurdî. Number in Kurdish. Yek, one, deux, two, Sisê, three, çar, four, Pênc, five, Şêst, six, Heft, seven, Heşt, eight, Neh, nine, Deh, 10, Yazdeh, 11, Dozdeh, 12, Sêzdeh, 13, Çardeh, 14, Pazdeh, 15, Şazdeh, 16, Hivdeh, 17, Hijdeh, 18, Nozdeh, 19, Bîst, 20, C, 30, Çil, 40, Pêncî, 50, Şêst, 60, Heftê, 70, Heştê, 80, Note, 90, Sed, 100, Dozdeh, 200, Pêncî, 250, Hezar, 1000, Pênc Sed, 1500, Deh Hezar, 2000, Pênc Sed, 2500, Deh Hezar, 10,000, Mîlyon, million.